got her feet.
I'm coming, please.
Lauren. Lauren.
Phew.
Too long if you can touch that corner. Touch that corner.
That corner of the couch.
It's 5 minutes before I leave.
Which one?
Touch
That
the sofa.
Such sofa.
Shifa.
Such sofa. Apple arm. Such me. I touched it.
Wait, no, you didn't.
I did touch it, didn't I?
You gotta touch the top corners. What are you talking about?
Ow! You're popping my goddamn knee. Chris! Oh my god! I gotta work! I gotta use these legs!
Who's bleeding today?
Lauren.
No.
Huh?
Lauren.
Again?
No, Becca. Becca this time.
What? Choke on
He
it.
said who's bleeding. I said Becca.
Bleeding.
He's on their period.
Chris, you're really pissing me
Why?
off.
She leave something.
Saw a tampon over there. In the trash can.
Oh.
Sorry.
Come on. Get out, Lauren. Get out of there, Lauren.
I surrender. This is fucking bullshit.
Get out, Lauren. Come on.
There is no surrender. This is fucking war.
Shut the fuck up. Okay, fuck it. Let's go to sleep.
You gotta get ready for Wild Bills.
You really are making my fucking thumb numb. Like, seriously. My thumb is